Friends, this is the digital multimeter. This multimeter first on off switch. This is the notch of notch. This is the symbol is DC voltage. It is range start 200 milliamps to 2020 milliamperes, 200 volts and 1000 volts. This is the symbol is AC voltage. It is starting for 200 voltage into 750 voltage. It is the symbol is amperes current reading purpose. This is a 200 milliamps, 20 milliamps, 200 micros and 10 amperes. This is the transistor testing range, DC voltage and diode checking. This scale was a resistance scale, 200 ohms, 2K, 20K, 200K, 2000K. This is the NPN transistors and PNPN transistors. This one, how to check, I will show you. Friends, what's up? This is your checker. Today I will explain digital multimeter step by step. I will show you how to check how to different ranges and resistor ranges, DC voltage and AC voltage and ampere voltage. This multimeter contains common probe and volt, milliamperes reading and ampere reading. First, this multimeter contains two cables. One is the black color, another color is the red color. Red color is the positive probe and black color is the negative probe. These two cables, black and red, is the testing probes. It calls technical word. Now I will how to fix these two cables in multimeter sockets. First you take common, take a black color probe, press it. This is the red. You want to measure volt and milliamps, current reading and ohms. Now this multimeter is fixed the cables. I measured this wire one resistor. It is the 75 ohms, 5 watt resistance. It is plus or minus tolerance is 5%. I select this knob, this multimeter. Starting is 200 ohms. It is showing 78 ohms. This resistor is the wire one resistor. It is a 10 watt wire one resistor. This printed is there 33 ohms 10 watt plus or minus 5%. Now I will measure this one. It is showing 34, 34 plus or minus. Now I will check this toggle switch is working or not. Continuity, on position or off position. Check these two probes. This is the two contact pins is there. Take one probe is one contact pin. Another is this one. This is switch off position. Now I on switch. It is working. It is working. This one is the fuse, 5 amps fuse. It is working or not, I will check. It's not working. I take another fuse. It is not working. Both fuses are burned out. This is the one LED light emitting diode. The big lead is the positive, small lead is the negative. Now I will show. Put on the small lead is this. And take another lead to show you. Bulb also glowing. This LED is okay. The volume control on off potential meter to reduce volume and on off also. Now I will check this, both pins are there. It is working or not. It is working. The scale is variation on this digital multimeter. Now I'll restart again and rotate full. It is working, and I will stop this now. This one is the transistor. Body is the collector, emitter, base collector. Take black probe, emitter. Check reading. It is working. This one is 9-volt batteries and volt usage of digital multimeter. This is the old one. This multimeter, I remove this battery. I will now check. These are two probes are there. This is one side is the plus mark is there. Another side is the minus mark is there. Now this black probe put on minus point. First you select DC voltage 20 in your multimeter. Take a minus probe is minus point, plus probe is plus point. How much voltage is there in this battery? This is around 4.5 voltage is there. This battery is ran out its voltage. That's why this multimeter is not working. I replace this battery after this multimeter is working. Now I will check aux to aux cable. This is a continuity range is working or not, also ohm range also. It is coming 0 to 0. Now I will select this continuity range. Check first this one short. A small buzzer is coming. It is working. The stereo pin also working. It is working. The aux cable also working. This is the pan capacitor Usha made. This is the 2.5 microfarad of the 400 voltage. This is two cables, non-chloride capacitor. Take ohms 20k range. Select. This reading is changed. If chip level repairing motherboards is the most important device is the multimeter. This multimeter measure each and every component. This motherboard contains every components to continuity range and voltage range. First you understand this motherboard, which place what are the voltages are input are given and what is the output voltages are coming. You select that particular range, that multimeter, and after that you check this motherboard every component. It is very useful device to. This is one called Amperes, using the CPUs in desktops, and regulator voltage is coming on 3 volts, plus 3 volts, minus 3 volts, and plus 2 volts, minus 2 volts, plus 5 volts, and minus 5 volts. You measure this Amperes, the output voltages. This multimeter select DC range. It is given, the socket is 230 volts input voltage. The sticker is there. It is useful, this unit also. Check this multimeter. Now I will measure this CMOS batteries computer motherboard fixing. This is a new battery. I will how to measure this CMOS battery. I will show you now. This one is the one symbol is there. This symbol is plus. This side is negative. I will select this voltage range 20. Take this battery. This side is the negative. Another side is the positive. Put on this battery. This is 3 volts. Is accurate voltage is there. This battery is working. New one. ఆకుకూరల్లో వచ్చినంటే దగ్గర మాట్లాడలేదు ఒక మాటలో చెప్పాలి. Now I will show you AC voltage checking. The put on this knob is AC voltage. The symbol is AC voltage. Our home is coming to 30 voltage. This multimeter starting 200 voltage and 750 voltage. You select the 750 voltage range. Gently I will put on AC this power card in computer power card. I will now show you reading. You observe multimeter. This is check very carefully. This wire is not working now. This is coming 240 voltage. It is AC output. Generally our India is 3-phase. Single phase is home purpose and industrial purpose. 3-phase is coming. This 3-phase voltage output is 240 voltage. This multimeter very useful to servicing engineers and beginners of servicing computer engineers. Please subscribe my videos. Please like my videos. Thank you. Your tech.